there are reports that Instagram might be planning to let their users customize their own algorithm in terms of what content they want to see and what shows up in their feed. And that's honestly fantastic news if it does happen, because let's face it, everyone uses Instagram, they watch reels on Instagram, but there's a lot of reels that people don't want to watch. They're not useful or people don't like it, but they just show up in the algorithm. And that's wasting a lot of people's time. And especially since there's a lot of clickbaity type of videos where it seems like there's something useful there, but there's nothing there now. I don't think us setting the algorithm will be able to stop that, but you know what I'm getting at. This could honestly save a lot of time for a lot of people, because all that extra time, yeah, you're scrolling through the reels till you get to a reel that you want, you can save that time. And let's face it, we don't really have all that time these days, so we need as much time freed up as we can from watching the reels. Now, this is honestly, I feel like this could be really beneficial for Instagram too, because I mean, their work on the algorithm, there's a lot of, it's a complex process to get us the videos that we want. And if we can choose the algorithm ourselves, I think that'll take a lot of load off Instagram, and maybe they can use that freed up time and resources to focus on other stuff, maybe bring some new features to it and make the user experience even better. Now, I've been thinking about what Instagram could honestly do to make the experience better. Well, it's a bit complicated. I mean, technically, what is Instagram? I mean, you can upload photos, you can chat with people, you can watch reels. There's a lot of stuff going on in Instagram. I don't feel like you can really define it as one thing. It's a social media app, I guess that's the basic definition, but I feel like Instagram's kind of here and there and doing a lot of stuff. And I'm wondering if there's some way that they can put it all together and create a new type of experience that we haven't seen before. And Meta's a huge company and they could do it. They have the resource. But and maybe they are planning on something. Maybe they have some idea of something or something. But I don't know. It is curious to think about. But yeah, Instagram letting us set the algorithm, it's honestly great news. And I'll be honest, I don't really use Instagram a lot because I keep getting all these videos that I don't really want, but I want to watch, but I end up watching. And if you watch it too much, you kind of end up getting too fixated on that. And I want to use Instagram, and I want to watch the videos that I want, and not just scroll through random videos till Instagram figures out what I want, and risk getting fixated on any of those videos. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. It's a issue everyone has, and if Instagram can fix that, fantastic. Now, what else could they add? That's what I'm thinking about. Well, I guess they could add some, I don't know, maybe some AI stuff for creators, for real creators, to improve their videos or something. Maybe put in some complex editing software into the reels after you take them. A really complex software, I mean, that would be huge. But I don't know if the app will be able to handle all that stuff, because video processing is complicated and it takes a lot of time. But yeah, I would like to see something like that show up. That would be huge. I mean, there are a lot of social media influencers, and a lot of them are using Instagram and TikTok. And if Instagram has such great software, they could really take a lot of the TikTok market. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. And who knows, maybe they're planning it. I mean, this is a huge company. They're probably planning the stuff for a few years in advance or something. That's how usually how companies work around these things. But yeah, the fact that they're moving in this direction makes me feel like they're starting to focus in on what the consumer really wants, the users really want. And I'm thinking that they might bring out some great stuff that we will really like in the future. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens with that, I guess.